Sikhathi sendaba zesindebele esikubikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wezokuhasha eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
We call on employers to treat their workers humanely. No farm workers may be paid below the national minimum wage.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ekhulumeni yakhe yokuthokozela ilanga lokubuyisana ubawe ukuthi abasebenzi bemaplasini baphathwe kuhle begodwa bahole nemali eyaneleyo.
The African Transformation Movement, we are of the view that the bloated cabinet, now comprising of 77 ministers and deputies, is a clear example of mismanagement and excessive spending.
Inhlangano eziphikisako zepolitiki zithi abangqongqotshi abaningi bakahulumende bombuso obumbana bazokuqedela uhulumende imali banengikhulu.
Elections were not considered free, transparent and credible, and not even fair.
Ulindeleke ukuthi umkhandlu wezomthethosisekelo weMozambique umemezele iveke zako ngemphumela yamakhetho welizwela ngoba solo ubujamo buxokeme kubangwa imphumela yamakhetho. Siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesindebele ngelanga lokubuyisana. Akwande sitshaba sekosi. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wethule inkulumo yakhe ilanga lokubuyisana emnyanyeni ewubanjwe eFredental eTjingalanga Kapa. Ilangeli kuhloswe ngalo ukukhuthaza ukubuyisana nebumbano elizweni leli. Umnyaka lo ilanga namhlanje lithwaywa ngaphasi kwesicubulo esithi Healing Historical Wounds and Forging New Futures. Ekhulumeni yakhe umengameli ugandelele ukuphathwa kuhle kwabasebenzi bemaplasini.
This day, the 16th of December, stood as a symbol of the wounds of our history.
Nabekethula ukuluma yakhe ilanga lokubuyisana umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ilanga lokubuyisana lanonyaka kubinge ngalokwelapha amanceba waphambilini kwakhiwe ngomuso elitsha.
We are all bound together by the spirit of Ubuntu. Umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu.
uRamaphosa uthi uhulumende obusa ngokuhlanganyela ukhombisa ukuthi nanyana inhlangano ezinemigomo engafaniko zonke ezinehloso yinye ekukwakhisa uAfrika engcono.
The government of national unity brings together diverse parties, 10 parties altogether, with different policies, different histories, different perspectives, and people who look different and who have different backgrounds. Yet we are united by a commitment to build a better South Africa for all its people.
Ngale kwalokho uRamaphosa ukhombela abaqashi emaplasini ukuthi baphathe kuhle abasebenzi bebabhadela imali eyaneleko.
We call on employers to treat their workers humanely and ensure that they have decent accommodation. No farm workers may be paid below the national minimum wage.
Uthi nanyana kunemithetho evikela abahlali bemaplasini kusesenezehlakalo zokuqotshwa kwabahlali bemaplasini ngaphandle kokubanikela ezinye indawo zokuhlala.
I continuously hear the stories of how farm workers are removed in the most cruel way from the farms where they work.
Umengameli uthi qhakathekile ukubulunga amalimi namasiko elizweni elimi. Uthi seAfrika kufanele ithole indlela zokuphilisana kwakhiwe isitshaba esingabandlulani kunanganyana ngiyiphi indlela. Umengameli umemezela ukuthi kuzokuba nenkulumiswano yelizwe lokho umnyaka ozako. Lapha kuzokukhulunyiswana ngendlela zokuthuthukisa ilizwe beqalwe nentshijilo elizwe eliqalene nazo ezifana nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi, umtlhago, ubukhohlakali kunye nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili nokubandlululana ngokobutshaba. Ngingonontokozo Sikhosana wendaba zeSABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi ukubuyisana kukhona elizweni lekhethweli na. Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli welandela.
Akubonakala ukuthi ubuyisano into eyoke ibe khona.
Sana khona singabuyisana mara sisodwa simaseula Africa sidosanzima.
Sengibona ukuthi hayi ilizwe lama-politician le sibukele bona balwa ngathi.
Uxolelaniso alukho eMzantsi Afrika, akho xolo eMzantsi Afrika, kubulawa abantu bayathinjwa abantwana.
Even abasephalamende kumanje basaqhubeka basaxoyibhala beyithi mhlawumbe kuzoba ngcono basekhona i-Government of National Unity.
I-Reconciliation Day isho ukuthi sibabantu abamnyama nabelungu kufanele sixolelane.
Chabo akukho msakazi futhi akusobe kwabakhona ngoba uyabona nje ukuthi inzondo ikhona phakathi kwabamhlophe nabamnyama nje bebodwa kuyinkinga ngokwakho.
Umbono onke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Sisarakane zokubuyisana. uBen Mabuza weGathelina eMpumalanga uthi wanelisekile ngendlela yokubuyisana emlandweni welizweli. uMabuza bekahlanganisa iminyaka elikhulu-11 yobudala ngoNtaka, kodwana indlela abuthelele lokho kwenzekako nalokho kwenzeka esikhathini sanamhlanje kuyarara.
Ugidinga ukuphila impilo ehle nede, abhode izinzukulwane zakhe nalabo abamfisela okuhle. uBen Mabuza uphilile ukuthi azokucoca umlando wempilo yakhe, kanti lokho kusifunde izinzukulwane ezitsha.
Itori umkhulu asitshelazana most of the time ziyazakala ukuthi like kubhlungu because unokushela into eyiwani cishe esikhathini esiningi, so uyabona ukuthi lento actually like affectile.
Ukucocwa kwendaba okubuyelelweko babantu abakhulileko akuhlathulula ukuluphala komuntu emkhumbulweni, kodwana kukhumbuza inzukulwane ngamagugu walokho kwenzekako. Istatement lesi siliqiniso kuMabuza obekacocela inzukulwane zakhe indaba ezenzeka ngesikhathi sombuso webandlululo.
Mina ngibona sokungcono kakhulu kulesi sikhathi esiphila kiso manje, kodwa nje abantu laba abaphethe imbuso bahlupha ngoba babuye balwe bodwa.
Nabantu abahlala emaplasini weCarolina bavumelana nalokho okuchiwa nguMabuza ngelizweli. uMabuza weminyaka elikhulu-11 obudala wabelane ngefihlo yokuphila kwakhe isikhathi eside kangaka.
Inyama bengedla njengoba kunalisuku elizayo ngoKhisimusi kuthi yeyi nawo uKhisimusi akudla inyama.
Mabuza wasungula isichema sakhe seMporompita ngo-2022 ukubuthelela ilutsha ukuthi libe nento eliyenzako lisuke endleleni. Kanti-ke umvumo lo uzokuqinisekisa ukubuyisana nebumbano endaweni yeCarolina.
I-Economic Freedom Fighters ikhamba indlela etsha yepolitiki ukuya phambili ngaphandle koDokotela Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ebuholini bayo. Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ubawe abajameli behlangano le amalunga namasekeli bona bangathathi namunye umuntu ongakhange akhambele umbuthano wayo wehlandla lesithathu njengomholi wehlangano le. uNdlozi yakhange akhambele umbuthano obowuseNasrec eJohannesburg begodwa nenkundleni zokuthintana uthule du ipelaveke yonke.
Ukungabonakala kwelunga lephiko eliphakathi le-EFF uDokotela Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ngobe indaba ekhulunywa mlibe eNasrec Expo Center. Abaholi be-EFF ababonakele basilingekile ngokusolo baphoswa ngembuzo ukuthi kanti ukuphi uNdlozi baqinisekise bona vela kekho embuthanweni lo. Umholi wehlangano uJulius Malema uthe i-EFF ayizukuthathela ehloko ukuzikhukhumeza komuntu ocabanga bona mkhulu ukudlula ihlangano le.
We're not going to answer the question about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. You've got his number and some of you talk to him, call him. I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. 90% of the people who were here, who expected to be here, are here. That's what matters. Whoever is not here was not supposed to be here from the beginning.
Emathayeni akhe jengisa ukuphela kwesikhathi kaNdlozi njengomholi phezulu wehlangano kunye nalabo abangakhange bakhambela umbuthano lo. Malema waphathelena kumbiko.
All leaders of the EFF are here in front. There is no leader of the EFF who's not here in front. There is no leader of the EFF who's not here in Nasrec. If they are not here, they are not leaders of the EFF. You must never regard them as the leaders of the EFF. You chose the leadership. You must defend your leadership. You must respect your leadership, both in private and in public.
Umholi we-EFF uveze nehuluphelo yehlangano le kubeni ingxenye kahulumende ukubusa ngokuhlanganyela. uthi nange i-DA ingathatha isifundo sokuphuma kuhulumende webumbano lo malungana nokuphikisana kwayo ne-ANC ngomthetho iBela Act ne-National Health Insurance.
Nasibuya entolo.
I was in Carltonville since Friday and there was no water there as well.
She's 1 month old, so staying hydrated and myself having to stay hydrated because I'm a breastfeeding mother, it's a battle.
Ziyalila izakhamuzi zeJohannesburg ngokuvalwa kwamanzi. Kuthiwa kulungiswa umthangalasisekelo. Ingibe ngapha nomtshiso ubhoke kangaka. Siyakwamukela mbukeli esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Kanina zikuphindileko indaba ezizwa zithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, X, TikTok naku-Facebook. Uhulumende kulindeleke ukuthi usebenzise imali engange-240 million yamaranda ukubhadela abongqongqotjhe abasha namasekela wabo ngaphasi kombuso webumbano. Lokhu kuvezwe kungqongqotjhe wezemali uEnoch nabekaphendula imibuzo yeParliament evela ehlanganweni ye-Action SA. Njenganje, abongqongqotjhe bahola imali elinganiselwa ku-2.69 million yamaranda qobe eminyaka, kuthi amasekela wabo ahole i-2.2 million rand.
Mholwabo ingikhulu zeParliament zithola ivikeleke elikhethekileko iVIP protection kunye nesibonelelo sendleko zamakhambo. Kanti khonapho bahlaliswa nendlini zabongqongqotjhe zemali elinganiselwa ku-900 million yamaranda. Ngomkhayilwa nonyaka umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uphasise ukukhutshulwa kwemiholo yabasebenzi bombuso nga-2.5%. Kanti lokhu kufaka hlangana ingikhulu zonke zombuso. Nanyana kunjalo kodwana i-Action SA ihlabe kumbi igadangweli.
Yeah, as Action SA, we think the extra 240 million to pay for the bloated cabinet is totally unacceptable. In fact, we actually say it's scandalous. In our country, we got children going to bed hungry.
Ukukhutshulwa kwesibalo sengikhulu eziphezulu kuhlatshwe ngamagama abukhali. Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki zikholele ekutheni kunefuneko yokuthi kuphungulwe inani lengikhulu zembusweni.
As the African Transformation Movement, we are of the view that the bloated cabinet, now comprising of 77 ministers and deputies, is a clear example of mismanagement and excessive spending.
I-SADP nayo iveze ukuthi kufanele kuphungulwe indleko zemali ebhadelwa ingikhulu zombuso.
Whilst the ACDP appreciates that a number of political parties had to be accommodated in the GNU, we are concerned about the 240 million rand cost of all the ministers and their deputies. Government is facing severe financial constraints which have resulted in budget cuts across all departments.
Nakusenjalo umnyango wemali ubhalile ukuphendula imibuzo yembikindaba yadlulisela imibuzo yembikindaba eofisini kaMengameli.
Izakhamuzi zeJohannesburg solo ziphasi phezulu zikalukanela ukufumana amanzi. Ngemva kokuqeda amalanga impompi zabo zihloka nethosi. Abanye bathi amanzi sebawakha nemathuneni. Ikampani yakwaRenault ithethe isicundo sokulungisa imthangalasisekelo yokuphakela izakhamuzi yamanzi. iRenault ithi ikhethe ukwenza umsebenzi lo kwamana abantu abaningi abakho baye emaholideyini nenkampani eziningi zivaliwe. Yeke amanzi awasebenzi kangako.
iRenault iragi ihlelo layo lokulungisa umthangalasisekelo wamanzi. Bekulindele ukuthi amanzi avalwa ama-iri ama-46 solo kwengelesihlanu. Izakhamuzi eziningi endaweni ezithintekileko zithi kenyukela. Banye bathi amanzi sebawakhe emathuneni.
Oh, it's been a nightmare, hey. It's been the whole weekend. And what we found surprising is that I was in Carltonville since Friday and there was no water there as well. So it was quite a shock to find that it's pretty much most of Gauteng that doesn't have water. And we find it to be quite a disappointment. We think it's going to be one thirsty Christmas.
There has been a bit of a train smash, especially with because we can't get any fresh water. There's fresh water, the tankers that were promised, nothing's been found, so we have to depend on the neighbors, especially neighbors with boreholes and stuff. They've been a great help actually to the community.
Abanye bathi abasakhona nokuhlambisa amasana.
It's a bit of a battle because she's 1 month old, so staying hydrated and myself having to stay hydrated because I'm a breastfeeding mother, it's a battle. And then having to chase water tankers, which is not even always there, or you can't even find them. It gives one quite of a headache.
Trying to help them because since 2 days ago there have been shortage of water. The whole Windsor East. There's no water only here. So that's why we're trying to help them.
Amanzi kulindeleke bona buye namhlanje endaweni eziningi bakwa Rand Water bathi amanye amaziko sekathomile ukupompela amanzi emadamini aphakele empompeni ezingemzini.
So I'll start with SWAT copies, which was completed on Saturday. So recovery for that system is in progress. And residents in that supply zone, which is Berea, Yeoville, the Johannesburg inner city, can expect water later today or tomorrow.
Nasize moyeni nje impompo eziningi endaweni eziningi bezisahloka nethosi lamanzi.
Ubujamo bezepolitiki busabhajiwe elizweni leMozambique. Umkhandlu wezomthethosisekelo elizweni lana nje kulindeleke bona umemezele isiqundo malungana namakhetho abangwakhulula wangomhla ka-9 kuSewula. Ikomishini yezamakhetho yamemezela uDaniel Chapo eFrelimo njengomthumbi wamakhetho kodwa omunye wabonkhethana esikhundleni somengameli uVenancio Mondlane wasusa irawurawu nakaza ukuthi abantu baphikisane nemphumela yamakhetho ngensolo zokuthi kube nokukhwabanisa kwamakhetho.
Mozambique linde umkhandlu wezomthethosisekelo bona ukhupha isiqundo ngemiphumela yamakhetho. Umkhandlu lo kulindele kubona ukhupha isimemezelo iveki izako ngomhla ka-23 kuNobayeni. Kwaba nje imchagalo ezele ngerawurawu ephikisa imiphumela yamakhetho edrobheni leMaputo nakamanye amadrobho. Kwezinye izehlakalo amapholisa namajoni asolwa ngokusebenzisa amandla ngokweqileko. iSouth Africa ithonyekile ngobujamo bomu.
It is a situation that needs engagement, mediation, to continue to call for calm, to allow the electoral process, the Constitutional Council of Mozambique to make a determination.
Abaholi benhlangano eziphikisako bathi amavoti abantu kufanele ahlonishwe.
The situation is quite volatile now because the elections were not considered free, transparent and credible, and not even fair. Both the African Union, the SADC, the European Union, the Commonwealth observers, all of them mentioned that these elections were not free and fair.
Nakusenjalo, imphathimandla eziqala umkhawulo zibeka ilihlo isango lomkhawulo ohlukanisa iSouth Africa neMozambique ilibombo.
This weekend from Friday 13 December to Sunday 15 December 2024, 52,252 travelers were processed at Libombo Port of Entry, a clear indication of the increased activity as South Africa enters its peak travel period. The BMA remains vigilant and fully equipped to maintain this level of efficiency while continuing to monitor operations closely.
Lochana ekhaya ngelanga lokubuyisana siqalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha luvulile ngale ngeNorthern Cape kunamafu ngale ke ngeCape Town ukuthi ngaphange isifundeni sangePumalanga atholakale amathuba wezulu nge60% kuthindeka lapha ke isifunda sangale ke KwaZulu Natal iMpumalanga iGauteng nakezinye ke indawo zangale ngeNorthwest kusasa abuyele khulu ke amathuba wezulu nge60% ePumalanga enaga lisavulile ke ngapha ngeNorthern Cape namafu ke asabonakala lapha ke endaweni zabo Cape Town sibona lapha ke isilemukiso sisithole kwa South African Weather Services ngobusuku bathi ke mijijo eduma kumbi phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa khulukhulu lapha ke esifundeni sangale ke ngeFreystadt kuthindeka isifunda sangale ke ngeGauteng nangale ke endaweni zabo Mahike ngekusasa sibonakala ke lapha ke bo Uppington kunekhonakalo yomlilo wemango kanti ke nangapha godu kusese mijijo eduma kumbi siyachidela ke ukwazi ukuthi ubone amazinga okuchisa sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng sibona lapha ke liyachisa endaweni eziningi ngaphambi kokuthi ke atholakale amazinga okuchisa namkhana izulu lesilibonileko lapha eLimpopo kuyachisa khulukhulu ke Musina nge41 ePhalaburwa nge40 kuthi ke ezinye indawo bo 35 bo 36 esifundeni sangeMpumalanga kuyachisa nakhona ngapho emalahleni Middelburg bokwagga kwamhlanga kuyachisa veza ubuhle njalo njalo ukuthi ezinye indawo ke njengalapha eMbombela kufuthumele nge29 KwaZulu Natal bonakala ke ifuthumele lapha eRichards Bay neDurban lapha eKokstad akupholile kodwa nayiFryhead noUlundi kuyachisa iPumalanga Kapa sibona ke kufuthumele endaweni zalapha ke endaweni zeKomani lapha ke eqonqe khona ke kupholile iSlanda neMthatha kupholile iGqeberha yona ifuthumele iTjingalanga Kapa ibonakala ipholile kamnandi Cape Town nge23 lapha ke eGeorge nge22 kuthi ke ezinye indawo kufuthumele lapha ke eNorthern Cape siyabona ke ukuthi nakhona ke kufuthumele boCalvina eSutherland Uppington khona ke kuyachisa nge32 Kimberley kuchise khudlwana nge37 iFreystadt iyachisa nayo njengendawo eziningi ngapha ngeSouth Africa ngaphambi kokuthi lidume liza kuchisa nalapha ke esifundeni sangeNorthwest kuzokuchisa endaweni eziningi ngaphambi kokuthi ulitho sithole izulu akube busuku obumnandi sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido